What up, YouTube fam? This is my first unboxing of many, more to come. I'm gonna start doing them because I be buying enough shit, so I figure why not start putting it out there and posting it, and putting it, for information. But this is my unboxing from Queen Soul. I mean, I've been dealing with them for a while, and so far they treat me alright, treat me good, and hook me up. So I'm gonna, put it out there and do this unboxing and go from there. Alright, let's get to it. Figure I pay it forward since I done watched so many people do unboxings and learn. I figure I'd do it myself. See what we got up in here. Alright. Look at that. Okay. Okay, some Lowe's. And these are Concords. And these are some more Concords. And Concords. Cool. Alright. Get it popping. Fucking cut myself doing this. Not this fucking bubble wrap killing me.